Asha for me mama akwaba. Me dey the Abisku. And at the beginners talk show is nipa me dey ba to train komo. The man of the moment, GH Kose. Oh yes, we start short videos. Now when that's what say videos everything across the whole world. Then you post pounds like bloggers all over.
Oh, it's like I was a man kasa no media limited.
Yeah.
Since 2009.
Okay.
And then 2013, many Dr. Pounds, Funny Face, Abeblese Salunku, and it's like Kokuma and Nana Ama,
yeah.
Nana Manum, a shitty series, any pollen, anti-pollen, I would do in me a shitty series. What I say?
Okay. Yes, it is in rule near the womb. What sassy and walk with Rusuda, and I say like experience in it to say.
Oh, 2014. 2014. Madame Fubi is like Sisi our bottom.
The man bought out.
It's a yeko in Zima. Into yeko in Zimano. And a papa ne catch SSS and a tedia. Yen fa cramine and bra. Dog and bra. Into no ye de dog buy. Tia the dog in a buy and no more ye kumuno. Until me a kumuna or may a new mojano. Yeah, on me a new mojanti. Every 3 days be a me kum cram my back home. Na ya chimuja ne ya.
One is our down for
Minister Madam for sacrifice a near yellow.
This our down for away.
Sisia ne de wabodam.
Wabodam.
Yeko, oh my yeko beni.
Who's our covenant?
Yeko beni. Yeko beni, no, it's like Papa ne my day for Nadaka move for 7 days.
7 days. Because we saw your hate.
We hate. Into no my day for Nadaka move for 7 days. Mr. Hakrashi. Into ye day for Nadaka move for 7 days. No, me madam for now I am married. Into ye back round. Na I driver no. Eddie Duncan Williams. Preaching a shima wumuti. Iti asama Duncan Williams kind no.